channel. I'm Jay, and this is our adventures are out there. Today we are jumping on the train. In fact, we've already done that bit. We're doing this intro halfway through. We have jumped on the train. It's the main line, isn't it? Southwest Railway, Southwestern Railway line, and jumped off at Wareham. We've been here once before in a vlog. We stopped here when we went to Monkey World. We stopped when we went to Monkey World. We'll put a link to that video up above. And we stopped at somewhere called Salt Pig for a bit of breakfast. Really liked it, so we thought we'll start a hike here this time. We're going to go as far as we can. There is a ferry that goes from Studland back to Sandbanks in Pool. If we can get that far, we might go to Corfe, we might go to Blue Pool. We're just going to walk as far as we can and along the Purbeck trailway, pool, tram, trailway, somewhere like that. We'll map it and send it all to you. But yeah, join us for a little bit of adventure, see what we can get to. Looking at about 10 to 15 miles today, with some Vegas weight still on board. We'll see how this goes. Let's go for a little adventure, guys. Bank Holiday Monday, the one stop is open at 6 AM. Morning, love, you alright? One stop was open, but it has been cleaned out over the bank holiday weekend. But yeah, if you want bits like make your own rolls, sarnies, they got some cold meats, raw stuff and bits and bobs. So there is a path there that goes along to the river a little bit and then heads up a little bit more into Poole Harbour. But we're going to ignore that. Just want to get on top of that hill in front and then head towards Corfe and hopefully get some good views from Corfe that way. So yeah, a little bit of a longer route today, but confident. Brilliant, fantastic, let's do this. Just finished the causeway. We are in Studland. And to anybody who lives here, very sorry if that wasn't pronounced correct. Here's a little garage. Might just pop in there, see if they've got anything. Yeah, some bits in there like the old fridge raiders type stuff, didn't they, babe? And spicy and Chinese flavour and everything. All that stuff you really want at this time of the morning. Bit early. So yeah, we are marching on. That's some place we always said we wanted to vlog from. Maybe. Let us know if you'd like us to go to Arn Nature Reserve. It's the RSPCB. Yes, because it's birds. Had to get that right. Okay, just come out of Stowborough and there's a little sign on the right here for the cut through to Stowborough Heath. So we're taking that. There's only those two shops. There is another one up there. There's a campsite on the left hand side. And I know that they do loads of bits and bobs because they're attached to the actual campsite. I don't know if it's like a co-op or something like that. But yeah, if you do get stuck for food or looking for resources, Wareham's got loads of bits. It's just, I say bank holiday, innit? We're straight in. You can see a little sign there. It's a little bit wet today. Purbeck Way to the left. Past the stagnant water and mozzies and ants and everything else. Oh God. Met some lovely people from the RSPB and Arn, and yeah, if you do join us, welcome to the channel. Lots of birds, babe. We did say you've seen loads of birds. If you're looking for a bit of nature and stuff on your hike, then so we're only about 3 miles in. 3 miles in. They've seen loads. Seen all the Heathland ones and warblers and bits and bobs and everything else. We saw a kingfisher in Wareham, didn't we, though? Ain't cool. I can see that hill and I don't like the look of it. Starting to think a protein bar might be necessary. Or a pub breakfast. A wind buffet. Oh, a wind buffet. I'm looking for a bridge or a tunnel under the railway, and I'm starting to think it might just be a run for it. Of course it is. Of course it is. Yeah, coming off the Stober Heath, crossing over the railway, and then over and onto some elevation changes. So no, if you've lost your water bottle, it's there, love. All right. Safely across the railway and towards Creech Bottom. Just see the glimmers of like Poole Harbour and stuff over that way. One very windswept tree, and I think we're going to go up top of that. Oh no, elevation changes. So, just come out the back of Creech Heath, and you do come onto a few houses, but it's just still the path, and then the road here apparently leads on to Hardy's Way.
Oh, there was a sign for that on that post.
Oh good, then I'm in the right place. We know where we are now. This is the road that goes to that blue pool place we went to at Christmas for the Christmas... Nope, they weren't Christmas. It was just a light show. It's nothing to do with Christmas, it was after Christmas.
And you said they just finished the longest rope bridge.
Oh yeah, they've just put in the UK's longest rope bridge.
That's what we did.
Not today. Not today. Alright, entrance to the blue pool. There is a path that way that goes to Corfe, but we know quite well that that one does get flooded because we did that before coming the other way and got absolutely saturated. So we're going to head up the road a little bit further and then head over to the left. We're not going to go on the hill before Corfe. We're going to try and keep the elevation down. Maybe get to a farm shop or the pub or something. Get some bits. I did say pub, yeah, well done. I thought your ears would pick up though. Get there, get some bits and bobs on board, and then head out of Corfe and get the elevation, because there's a big old hill out of Corfe towards like Old Harry Rocks. And we're just going to go straight up that, and then see how far along we can get some nice views and stuff. And yeah, eat a cake, have a sarnie, have a couple of drinks. You know how these walks go. And just as the road curls off to the right, this is Hardy's Way apparently. And it's wet and boggy and muddy, just what we needed. Alright, so for those that don't know, Thomas Hardy, quite well known down in Dorset. So this is part of the Hardy Trail. It is about 220 miles, I think factually accurate, because I'll get corrected. It's 216.5 miles long. This is only a little bit of it, but yeah, really long walking trail. This is a very wet part of it. It's like walking in a stream. But yeah, very beautiful. Definitely need your walking boots or some wellies at the very least. But I don't think I want to walk 216.5 miles in wellies. Don't really want to walk 216.5 miles in walking boots either. campsite just behind there. That's where we would have been going up, but we're cutting that bit out for now. Northern Farm, well, you know, Northern Farm Farm Shop. See? Let's get there. That's where we would have been up there, and then there's the campsite and Northern Farm Shop should be just behind it, he says with confidence. Okay, so if you walk over there and up there and left, that'll take you back into Corfe. And we are heading down this way to get to that farm shop. I keep mentioning the farm shop. When we get there, if it's open, you understand why, because it is a good farm shop. It serves all the campsite and stuff. But yeah, they do literally everything, so hopefully there are some bits in stock, because it's a little bit early for a pub and a lunch. And we don't really know what else is going to be open in Corfe at this time in the morning on a bank holiday. Just, huh? Yeah, might go over to Banks Arms in Studland, or maybe the Pig and get a pizza in the garden. The Banks do good plans. Getting a little bit more familiar with the terrain here as well, because that bit back there and over the creech and round the back of Wareham and stuff, we've never been there before. I found the downside of coming into the farm shop this way. People cooking sausages and bacon and eggs. Do you reckon anyone will allow us to use their frying pan? People.
Yeah. It's good to see it so busy, isn't it? Saying that people aren't doing staycations as much now.
I claim bull.
We're doing a staycation next. Well, next adventure.
Our next adventure on the channel will be a staycation. We've got a converted barn in it.
Yep,
Airbnb.
East Lavant.
In where?
East Lavant.
Easy for you to say. I can hear that peacock. Good luck. Alright, Northern Farm Shop, as you can see.
Flavour. Chicken stuffing.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Alright, that was Northern Farm Shop. Great little place. Always got bits and bobs, isn't there? You can always get something.
Yeah.
But yeah, all their meats and sausages and stuff, we used to pick them up on the way home and oh, fresh eggs, oh, their eggs and their milk. They used to do, was it Hollismead? Hollismead Farm milk. That was really good. They seem to stop doing that at the moment. Put other bits in. But yeah, lovely people, lovely staff. Right, somewhere behind all this shrubbery is an old castle. Don't think we're going in? And we've done that before. If you want to see Corfe Castle, I'll pop a link to it here. But yeah, definitely worth a visit. Great National Trust place, that. Okay, straight out of the farm shop. That's the main road there. It's the A35. 20-minute walk to Corfe. This is the old road. Haven't seen the castle yet. Okay, fed, watered, recharged, we played with the robins, we fed the robins, we are getting around the castle, into Corfe itself. It's beautiful down here, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, welcome to Corfe. It's busy. Bits from the Corfe village place because Hayley said it was still too early to have a drink, even though it's 10:30, which legally means we're allowed to have a drink. But yeah, maybe sitting down and having a few in the sunshine, because it wasn't supposed to be sunny today, but having a few in the sunshine before getting up this thing, she's probably right. So we're going around to the train station, we're going to cross the tracks there and then getting up this one. This is where the views will start. We'll start seeing over into like Poole Harbour and stuff, Brownsea Island, all of that. And then looking back this way, we should see Swanage and into the channel. More importantly, when we get to the top, I'm allowed to open a drink. Hooray! It's a cute train station, isn't it? Right, that's pretty, isn't it? Do you like a bit of the old Swanage Railway? If anybody wants to see us go on the Swanage Railway, we're more than happy opening up to suggestions. Pop us a little comment below. I haven't been on it since I was a wee nipper. I think I met Santa on it once. The real one. Morning, mate. Morning. All right, up and over. Okay, so we just scoot across the railway. Carry on here. Boiler House galleries are here. There's like some studios and painting and bits and bobs, but yeah, really nice bits. Pick up some Christmas gifts from here, don't we, for some people? There's a lot of Christmas talk going on. Talked about Santa. Okay. Okay, so we've got a choice to make. We can go up the permissive path. That's one we've done before. And you can see into Corfe and down onto the castle. Or there is another one up here, which is more steady. We say more steady, but it's not a fun path. But yeah, it goes up the side of the hill, overlooking down into like the valley and stuff in Corfe Heath. So I think we're going to try that one. Hayley's choice if it doesn't work out. This is a path to start going up Ballard Down. Popular path, this one. As soon as Hayley can get it open. How you getting on there, babe? All this talk of Christmas, it'll soon be here. I do like this path. It's not that bad a path. Okay, just coming across the top of Ballard Down, just where those two people are right up there. And then when we get to the summit, beverage. Beverage? Yeah. And nearly at the summit. It starts heading down, bouncy island in the middle there. Into Poole Harbour, Bournemouth, Christchurch, Hengistbury Head. Nearly at the summit. He says with confidence. Another 7 hours. Has picked up in case no one's noticed. I'll stick you out a little bit outside the windshield. Jeez Louise. So yeah, just mapping our route. Not sure whether to carry on going up and fall down. Just see Swanage. But yeah, really good walk. Just deciding which way to go now. Just there, we are at Kingswood Down on the Purbeck Way. We are turning left around here and heading off to the Purbeck Golf Course. There are loads of signs up when you enter different areas and stuff, because some have, as you can see, cows and things, and you got your dogs on leads, vice versa. Okay, so at 9.5 miles, that's the left turn. It is windy. It is right behind us, which is good. It's the best place to have the wind. As soon as we drop down here, hopefully it'll be a little bit more sheltered. Okay, just coming down the other side of Ballard Down. Wind's died off a little bit. Now heading, as you can probably, possibly maybe see, directly towards Poole, Bouncy Island, Poole Harbour. And then we'll come out onto the main road in between Corfe and Studland. And just got to work out which way we want to go from there. But yeah, coming down this side you can just start to see Wareham. So Wareham's all there where we started this morning, and we went across all the flat and the gorse and the heath up onto here and then all behind there. But yeah, we're just on 9.5 miles now. Hayley's even mentioned a pub lunch.
Like a pub.
We do like a pub. If you like a lot of pubs on your walk, join our YouTube channel. Okay, this is the B3351 in between Corfe and Studland. Corfe to the left, Studland to the right. We're going to find our path and come back to you. Using the public footpaths across the golf course and heading towards, yeah, I think we're going to go to the Pig or Banks Arms, maybe the hut on the beach. We shall see, we shall see. We're definitely fancying a refuel, a bit of pub lunch. Okay, still got the, what's it called, Pool Bay. Still got Pool Bay in front of us and just coming down to Blackdown, and then we'll head just as a little cut through onto Angleston Road, and that is going to be our track back. We normally see deer around there, don't we?
Yeah, there's a park.
It's like a, I don't know if it's actually a deer sanctuary or a deer park or anything, but every time we come past this field, always ruddy deer in it. Not complaining. They just look at us all the time, don't they? Just like humans. But yeah, nice to have done all like the new bit, like the new paths, the stuff we've never done before at the start, and then get onto familiar ground. It's actually made the latter part of the walk go a bit quicker.
Yeah, it's nice if the weather's held
out. I think I'm going to need some after sun in the fridge when I go. And here's our little cut through. Alright, and if you keep on subscribing and liking our content and commenting and telling all your friends where to find us and how fun we are as a couple and how great our content and montages are, we might be able to afford a shed at the bottom of one of these people's gardens one day. Because these places are... And another trip to Vegas. If you'd like to see more Vegas content, like, comment, subscribe, get all your friends to subscribe. And we get about £50, which will be one spin on the wrong denomination. Oh no, I meant to do 50 cents, I've done $50. Oh, what an absolute fab day. We were worried we were going to be raining.
Definitely didn't say sunshine.
Definitely wasn't scheduled sunshine today.
We got lucky on Saturday, didn't we? And yesterday.
What did we do yesterday?
Sunny in Portsmouth.
Portsmouth. Oh yeah, we went to Gunwharf. We didn't vlog from there. We've done that before. Shameless. 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 Plug that other vlog. Alright, there's the old Studland stores. Great little pit stop if anybody needs any supplies. Snacks, waters, sausage rolls, pork pies, meat, all that type of stuff for your barbecues.
Even the beach stuff.
Even the beach bits. But We're strolling on past, and then down this road, which is School Lane, we take a left, we go around the back of the church and come up at the back of the Banks Arms, which is just perfect for us. Alright guys, welcome to the Banks Arms, Studland. How's that, pumpkin?
Oh, so lovely.
That's a good stop. Good stop. Yeah. Nothing fancy, nothing glamorous, just good old pub food. Served quick as well, wasn't it? Yeah, it said half an hour and it was like 10 minutes. It's not the cheapest, but then there's no alternative. Unless you do the National Trust CAF or the pig next door. The pig next door's gourmet. Okay, we're going to walk around here to Beach Road, where the Salt Pig pop-up is in the car park, and then down onto Middle Beach. Dip our toes in the sea. Dip our toes in the sea? I'm worried if I take my shoes off, my feet won't fit back in them. Yeah, I'm a little bit worried. Bang on 13 miles now. And she's ecstatic about it. Right, that's the National Trust CAF. Oh, we still got a long way to go. Good effort. Okay, coming back up to the naturist bit. We will not be filming. If you want to see us filming at this beach, we did do it ages ago. You can have a little look back in ours. I'll shamelessly plug that vlog as well in this one. Alright, we are out the other side. We survived. Just got to get round this corner. And there's about half a mile to the ferry. And then we're going to jump in a taxi to a train station and go home. Yeah, feeling it now. Feeling it. If you are doing this walk and you want to end it the other side, that Haven Hotel, normally alright for a bit of grub, innit? Nothing fancy, but if you want to pop your head in, they serve non-residents and stuff. It used to be really good, but yeah, that's the well, will be the end of our walk. And if you're doing the walk this way round, the ferry is free for foot passengers. You don't need to pay. You only pay coming across from Sandbanks to Studland. You don't pay the other way. So that's a bonus as well. So theoretically, apart from our train ticket, if we brought everything with us, food and drink, it'd be a free day out. It'd be £6. Oh, that would have been a better option. But we do like pub food and cakes and biscuits and everything else. Okay, not doing too bad. Just missed that ferry, but it goes back and forth every 20, so only got about 20 minutes or so to wait for it to come back. But yeah, just going to peak 15 miles, so ready to head home. Might fall asleep on the train. We shall see.